How to use Cdk Global for beginners. First, get access and complete essential training. Your CDK administration, usually at the dealership, will assign you a simple ID to log into CDK platforms like Drive, CRM, and finance modules via login. Once logged in, launch CDK University, official interactive onboarding that includes getting started modules for key roles and workflows. CDK offers product education, self-paced learning, live demos, and quizzes to ensure practical proficiency. CRM and front office. Use the CRM to search or create a customer record, assign marketing segments, track consent, schedule service, and follow-up. To create a deal, use Sales Express, retail desking to configure vehicle, pricing, trade-in, F&I products, digital contract signing, and delivery checklist. Vehicle inventory and desking. View your dealership's unit inventory, search by VIN or stock number, and perform vehicle assignments. Retail desking ties your inventory into finance documents and digital retail lifecycle. Fixed operations. Use repair orders, RO, customer, VIN, assign tech, add tasks, parts, print work order, post completion to accounting for invoicing and history syncing. Parts and supply chain. Use parts lookup to check stock, pricing, create POs, or transfer requests, for example via T-command used with Snap-on dock-in integration. Accounting and alerts. Access invoices, profitability, vendor records, insurance claims with automation for assignments and compliance flags. The dashboard highlights tasks like unassigned leads, delivery expectations, or unposted service jobs. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.